Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to upload your dispute letters to Experian Uploads without having any issues. This will help you avoid the stall emails that Experian has been sending out, saying that they're not sure if your disputes came from you, blah, blah, blah. If you do it this way, this will solve that problem. Okay, so I'm on the Experian Uploads site, and I'm just going to click Upload Documents. And here I'm going to start putting in, now this is going to be an actual client that I'm doing this for, so give me a second, I'll be right back after I put in all of their personal information. Okay, so I've entered in the client's personal information, and now I'm going to select the reason for submitting the documents. So I'm going to say supporting documentation for my disputes. And if I need to put some verbiage here, I'll put some verbiage here just to tell a little more information, especially if there's something I really want to get on them before. So the client has received this email from Experian. I blotted out their name, of course, but this is what I consider to be an Experian stall email, because it says, we received a recent request regarding your credit information that does not appear to have been sent directly by you or to be authorized by you. As a precautionary measure, we have not taken any action on your alleged request. And then there's more verbiage. But as you can see, it's directing you to go to Experian.com/dispute to dispute online, which is all fine. I'm not mad at a good dispute online. It's just the way you do it that actually can shoot you in the foot if you don't do it correctly. So I'm not going to go to Experian and dispute online this account, because they already have the actual dispute letters, because they keep every single dispute letter that you send in. And so now I'm going to upload a picture of the screenshot sent from Experian. I'm going to upload the forms of ID for the client, and I'm going to re-upload the exact affidavits that we previously sent in for them to dispute. So now that I have those three things uploaded, so now it's time for me to fill in this box to tell them exactly why I'm doing this and what I want them to do. Okay, so now we're on the confirmation page, where it's going to show you a list of everything that you uploaded, including your paragraph that you put in the box. And then it says check yes. Okay, if the information is correct, I'm checking yes and submitting. So now, because I have put the client's email in on the previous pages, they will receive an email from Experian letting them know that they have received their documentations. Hence, my job with this part is done for today, so I'm going to exit out. But I do want you to know that if you do receive those type of emails from Experian, this is the thing to do. Even like if you have an Experian account, just log into your Experian account and dispute whatever it is that you're disputing on your dispute letter as if you're going to dispute it online, which you are. And at the end, it's going to ask you, do you want to upload any supporting documentations? You'll see an upload button, and that's where you're going to upload your dispute letters. Even though you're in your own account, you still want to upload your 2 to 3 forms of ID and any supporting documentation. If you do it that way, you won't run into any of those stall emails, and that way it makes your dispute process a little bit quicker and easier. So that's my video for today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Also, if you need to book a consultation for just like a free overlook of your credit report, I'm down for that as well. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. I really hope these videos are helping you guys solve at least some of your credit issues. I do know that everything in credit repair is not 100% guaranteed, and I'm not saying that I'm a credit guru, because I'm not. I'm just sharing with you valuable things that I use in my own business with my own clients that actually work for us. Doesn't mean it's 100% across the board going to work for you, but it's definitely a good strategy, and it's definitely worth giving it a try. So see you guys later. We'll talk soon, and I'm going to keep doing the Dispute Fridays. I'm just probably not going to do them every Friday, because to me, the dispute results is kind of boring. I like to kind of show more in-depth things, but anyways, I'm still going to keep that up. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.